Guys, it's Dawn from Let's Make a Mess today. How are you doing? Well, today's all about work. I'm working on some books that I have for sale, and I'm going to get some kits up for sale too. So, yeah, I wish I could be playing with my jelly plates and my mixed media stuff all day long, but I do have these things to get done and get out to help sustain the channel. So anyway, so let's just get started. Today, this segment is all about the vintage books that I found. Wait till you see these. Wait till you see what's inside of these little plain goodies. I mean, yes, they look plain, don't they? But just wait till you see. All right, but let's just get started with these first. First, I'm going to start off with the Singer Sewing Machine book. This book, let me take this out. I have little notes to myself that you don't need to say. This little Singer Sewing Machine book, this is, everything's in it. It's gorgeous. Now, I have had the, I have actually made a journal out of this before. I loved that journal, and I hope that the person that bought that journal loves it. This is 1975. Janet Chapinka owned it in April, and it actually is in 1972. Okay, so it's a gorgeous book. It has all the tabs. It has, what I loved about it is everything's color-coded. And the, once in a while, see, like that's the orange side. I think this is the one that had once in a while you'll have like pictures of girls, but I can't remember now. I'm not seeing it. So, oh, just occasionally, you'll see pictures of, you know, the female form. And is that the right way to put that? Well, that didn't sound right. That sounded weird. I don't mean that. Anyway, so you can see that it's a gorgeous book, and and again, I love the color coding. And what I did when I made the journal is like I trimmed it with green thread here. I trimmed this with blue thread here. So it was a lot of fun. And what's one of the most fun parts about this book, besides the 3 ring binder tabs and all of that, is the cover. Isn't that cute? It's just really cute because in here you see the scissors and the threads and the measuring tape and stuff and the long needle on the side. This is just a really cute book journal to make a journal out of, and it's in really good shape. So that one's on the website on Etsy. And then this Better Homes and Garden. Okay, normally when you see a Better Homes and Gardens, you see it with a coffee pot, a pitcher, and other things on top. So when I saw this one sitting there, I was like, it's smaller than the other one. And I thought, wow, I have never seen that before. And I almost passed it up. But then I realized that the date on it is November of 1949, you guys. So this is probably one of the oldest ones I've found for the Better Homes and Gardens cookbook. So 1949, and everything is in here, and it's in beautiful shape. It's in gorgeous shape, you guys. So this too is on the website. This is 7.5 by 9.5 by 2. So that is, those two are on Etsy right now waiting for you. Now, I found this set. I'm not selling it as a set. I'm selling it as all different, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, right? So let's start with now some of them are thicker than others, so they're just a few dollars more, but you'll see why. These are fantastic. Let's start with the orange one first. Now, whoever had these books was a cooker. Is that right? A cooker? Loved to cook, okay? They loved to cook. My daughter used to tell me, Mom, you're a good cooker. So that word works for me. But anyway, let's just start with the orange one. So this is like this is party foods. This is main dishes. The medium blue is, and this is the one that's a little like more not vinyl, but more fabric. Pies, fruits, and desserts. This is considered the medium blue. The green one is soup, salads, and dressings, and the light blue one is Mexican meatloaf and things like that. Mexican food meatloafs and things like that. So let's just start with the orange one first. Okay, so these are really great. They're 7.5 by 9 by 1.5. And this one is party foods, drinks, and dips. And what I love about these, okay, this person went through and put everything in these folders, these clear plastic, I don't know what they're called, plastic sheets. But what's gorgeous about them, so they're very well kept. Okay, first we have really great old-fashioned recipes. Then we have really great old-fashioned vintage writing. Then we have vintage recipe cards with vintage images, vintage, okay, this is what I love too. This is type font. So you have recipes, you have handwriting, you have type font, you have it all. You have vintage paper. Look at the color on that, right? So you have everything that you could want for ephemera, or if you're doing, look at this beautiful handwriting. You guys, handwriting, in my opinion, is going away. So this one again is the party mix, cheese balls, spinach tortillas, just all kinds of wonderful hot broccoli dip. So this is the this is the orange one on my website, on my Etsy store. This is the dark blue one. Now the dark blue one is pasta, bread, stocks, cheesecake, etc., etc. And this is a little bit thicker. But again, it has all kinds of really cool. Now she's got to start out with the Lanza Lake stuff. We'll get past that and get to her. She's got fried rice. She's got wontons. Main dishes. Okay, yeah. She's got chicken stock. Look at that type. You guys, when I saw this, I couldn't pass them up. And I thought, I think everybody else is going to want these as much as I do. So I'm sharing them with you. And no, I'm not even taking a copy of any of it. It's yours. You can have it. There's bread loaf, French bread, faster French bread, Rob's Blue Ribbon, bran muffins, refrigerator, no knead dill bread. Look at this. Like, I fell in love with these. And they're so well kept, you guys. Just so well kept. There's soups and stocks and green chilies, cornbread. So this is the dark blue one. It's 7.5 by 9 by 1.5. Then we have the medium blue, which I showed you, which is, I mean, I haven't even wiped these up. Shame on me. I probably should have, but I didn't. But this is pretty darn thick, you guys. And this one is pies, fruits, and desserts. So California meringue pie. But again, you have your assortment of your vintage paper, regular print, typeface from a typewriter. You have handwritten rhubarb apple crunch. Oh my gosh. Make me a copy. If you buy this, make me a copy and send this to me. Oh, rhubarb pie, which is like my favorite in the world. Quick desserts, omelet souffle, strawberry jello mold. Just all kinds of gorgeous. This looks like there was somebody's funeral thing. So anyway, so this one is the dark blue one, and it's 7.5 by 9 by 1.5. Pies, fruits, and desserts. I showed you that. Now this one is the green one. And this one is soups, salads, and dressings. And again, the beautiful handwriting in here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Lots of it. Lots of beautiful handwritten recipes, as well as things that she cut out of the paper. Gorgeous handwriting. Look at this. It's just gorgeous, you guys, and it's just full of lovely ephemera. So if you're doing, you know, any kind of a recipe book or, you know, journaling, this is your ticket right here. Here's all of the ephemera you'll need. And then the last one is the light blue one. And this one is Mexican. She says meat on the outside. She marked a couple. This one's meat. So, okay, let's see what this meat. I have it down as Mexican meatloafs. Mexicans and meatloaf. You know what I mean. So we have tamale pie, Mexican souffle, Helen's enchiladas. Look at these lovely, dark, beautiful pages. Oh, Amigos Mexican Delight. That's made with chicken breast. Mexican quiche appetizer. And then just a lot more of your handwritten recipes. And California style salsa. So there you go. So that's good. These are on my Etsy site right now. If you're interested, go ahead and check that out. And I'll be back later with some more books because I'm trying to do a sale this weekend to get this done so that I can get back to playing with you guys. So this is the work part, right? All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you check it out, and I will post my Etsy shop down below. All right, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye now. Have a great day.